Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, rain-sensing wipers, remote vehicle start, speed control. Come see the car for yourself.